I mean, to be on the podium is always great. First time for me. I missed a bit the takeoff in the second jump, so maybe it would have been a bit better, but I'm really glad and I can't ask for more.
Also back on the podium after the high of the Olympic Games where he finished third is Vladimir Lebedev. But his slightly awkward landing puts him in second.
I last podium in 2006 on Olympic Winter Games, yes, and it's my first podium after Olympics, and I'm very happy.
And another Russian also puts down his best ever career result. We're talking about Dmitry Marushchak, who with this back full takes 6th place. Terrible landing for the Swissman Andrea Isos. Comes in 5th, despite putting down an excellent first jump. Worst second jump though belongs to Anton Kushner from Belarus. He was second after the first jump. He closes all the way here and finishes 4th. Rather inept landing. Better luck next time. A man who does not suffer from nerves is the Ukrainian Stanislav Kravchuk. He takes home his first win of the season after the 2 4th places at Lake Placid and Gabriel. His back late double flip fullers were a top spot in the event, 5th place in the standings.
It means a lot for me because it's my first place, and it's like the beginning for the other wins. And here it's especially good for me because I really like this site, and everybody's jump really nice here because the site is really good, and it's kind of hard to win here.